Hello everyone. Welcome back to Apache Spark interview question and answer series. In this lecture, we will answer a very common production level question. How do you control or limit the number of retries when a Spark job fails in Yarn? This is important because uncontrolled retries can overload the cluster or lead to longer job completion time. Spark job can fail due to data skew, network glitches, executor memory issue, node failure. By default, Spark and Yarn keeps retrying task and executor multiple times, assuming failures are temporary. But in production, you don't want infinity tries. You can control failure. Spark task level retry limit. Property spark.task.maxFailure. Default is 4, that is 4 retries per task. Example conf.spark.task.maxFailures equal to true. Meaning if a task fails twice, Spark stop retrying and mark the job as failed. Yarn application retry limit. Properties yarn dot resource manager dot am dot max attempt. Default is 2, that is including initial run. Example conf spark.yarn.maxAttempts equal to 1. This stops Spark from relaunching the entire application multiple times. Let's see the recommended setting for production. Conf space spark.task.max failure equal to 2 and conf dot space spark dot yarn dot max attempt equal to 1. This makes Spark fail fast instead of wasting time and resources. If asked in an interview to control retries in Spark running on Yarn, I configure spark.task.maxFailures to limit per task retries and spark.yarn.maxAttempts to control application relaunch attempts. That's how you control job retries in Spark on Yarn. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.